In today's business world, collecting data has never been easier. But managing, understanding, and putting that data to work, that's never been more difficult. There's just so much of it, coming from everywhere. And because all of your front office applications sit on separate databases, they don't communicate with each other. And so making sense of all that data is nearly impossible. You miss opportunities, make uninformed decisions, and deliver a poor customer experience, all of which cause your business problems. Especially since you're sitting on a gold mine, several of them actually. It's time to put your gold mine to work with Systum, the all-in-one cloud-based front office solution. Systum brings sales, marketing, digital commerce, inventory, order management, and billing into one big data database. So with only one gold mine, you get the real-time insights you need for your company to grow and succeed. Like discovering which marketing campaigns are successful and which ones aren't. Anywhere, anytime. Meaning your marketing manager can check this quarter's closing campaign ROI on her iPad while heading home. Or your best sales rep can make sure that last order came in before the end of the quarter while out with friends. And your CEO can check company KPIs while watching the game, ready to kick off the next quarter with the data he needs. All in real time on any device. Systum, the future in your hands today.